recording. Cool. So hello everybody again, and then today we are going to look about React Router DOM. And React Router DOM is a very interesting topic in React. If you ever wonder how are multi-page applications built, React Router DOM is the answer for you. I hope I am audible. Yep, cool. So firstly, what is a multi-page website? So when you go to a browser, let's say Brave, I'll open a browser window next to me over here. So let's say I open any website right now. So let me open a random documentation. I'll open React Router DOM की documentation itself. तो यहाँ पर कुछ ना कुछ है ये, ठीक है. मैं what I want to show you is you can see that when I go to this install page, I'm going to a separate page. So you can see the URL over here, right? It keeps on changing. So when I click on the routing, this changes to a separate URL. When I click on this, it's changed to a separate URL. So technically you have different pages over here. And how do you identify different pages? You identify it through a specific route. If you have /start/ let's say framework /route, so this means this is a different route. If I remove this will take me to an unknown route, so this doesn't exist. When you go to data loading, it will go to a data loading route. ठीक है ना, straightforward. That are different routes. Initially in our React application we didn't have different routes. How it looked like was pretty basic. तो हमारा पहले कैसे दिखता था, मतलब let me put it back to how it used to look पहले. Where was this? Okay. So let me open my local host. So this was yesterday what we did. So what we did was we fetched the data from an API, and वो API का जो data है we rendered it on our screen. ठीक है ना. So you know what my use case was? I wanted to, these are all the users, right? I wanted to display a specific user's pura information in one page, like a separate page for one user. Let's say for Joseph I want one whole page. Now how do I do that? I can create a separate route for Joseph. So I would like you to try to understand this. It might not be very straightforward right now. Let us code a little bit and I will show you how different routes can be made. ठीक है. अब when I am going directly to my localhost 5174, this page is rendering, but I want multiple pages, right? I don't want this specific page only. So what we'll start off with is कि मैं थोड़ा बहुत basic start करता हूँ. Let us create a home page first. So let's create something like I'll show you, like let's just try to visualize this. Let's open my favorite application TL Draw, and अपनी वेबसाइट ऐसे देखने वाली है. एक वेबसाइट रहती, हमारे पास एक होम पेज रहता, ठीक है, राइट? we'll have a home page, and then this will also have another page called a contact page. We'll have a contact us page. Contact.
Tell me, is your screen shared?
Yeah, my screen is shared, right? It is shared.
Right now it's visible.
Okay, cool. So contact us page है यहाँ पर. Is this Ali? Okay, fine, cool, ठीक, जो भी.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Nice seeing you here. So you have a home page, you have a contact us page.
Thank you. Thank you.
So nice. So you also have, let's say we also have another extra page known as a team page, right? 3 pages. Let's see what we can do. So what you're going to do is in React Router DOM, इसे इस्तेमाल करके पहले अपन क्या करते, रिएक्ट ऐप बनाते थे, एक जगह पूरा लिख देते थे और वो है ना हमारी स्क्रीन पर दिख जाता था, राइट? Now we will do is we'll create three pages and we'll understand how do we navigate from this page to this, from, and then we will, how do you differentiate every page? Every page should have a unique way to get into it, right? So we'll do that through routes. So this will be at my slash route. So when you see TL draw over here, this doesn't, you're not on a sub route, so it's just a slash route. This is same as this. So when you do this or this, it's the same thing. So when you say it's at a slash route, that means just directly TL draw or directly whatever your local host. So that would mean you directly go to the website. So a contact us page can basically have a route of contact, okay, and then a team page can have something like team, right? Like this looks ugly, but nevertheless this is a 3-page thing that we can try to do. ठीक है ना? Now we'll look at how we can actually do it. So we have React Router DOM in this. ठीक है, there are 3 ways to use React Router DOM. The first is the framework method, the data method, and the declarative method. So we're going to use the declarative method over here because it is relatively easier in most of the code. Like more, I mean, like it depends what you want to use, but declarative is kind of easier. So we'll use declarative and I'll show you how we can do it. ठीक है ना? तो the first thing that you have to do is कि usually जब initialize करते, you know, I'll make a separate project and then we'll start with that. ठीक है ना? It'll be much more easier for all of you. तो मैं ctd dot and then wheat, I forgot the wheat का thing. Wheat बनाने के वास्ते you go here and here we go. React router example. After we do a simple project with this, then we'll come back to this and I'll show you how we can do that use param के साथ. And then JavaScript React compiler. So this will get installed and yeah, I think we all understood what हमारे को क्या करने का है. Let me close this thing. I will file open this React router का जो भी बनाया मैं अभी example. We'll do everything from scratch. So now that we have another repository ready over here, so let us install our necessary requirements. So what I want right now is to I want to create routing, and routing is done using React router. So I will install React router. So how do I install React router? It's relatively simple. You should have it somewhere. You can just do npm install React router. I remember it, but if you don't know where do you install it from, you just go to React router, okay, and then DOM. You go to their official documentation and then you can go here. There's getting started में, okay, shit, they don't have it. भाई डाउनलोड करने का तो अच्छा अब अलग से बता देता हूँ. It's kind of very obvious. React router करने का रहता, but यहाँ पर npm.js का जो dependency है, you just to copy this from here and then just be like npm install React router DOM. Yeah, so we are done with that. So how do you initialize React router DOM का code? तो make sure in your main.jsx you're linking your app, right? In your app we will do all of the React router DOM का पूरा काम. तो अभी के लिए I'll just remove all of this bullshit. Okay, my bad. I should. Okay. ठीक है, चलो. Now we'll import some things from React router DOM. तो there is पहली चीज़ एक browser something बोल के एक रहती है, browser controller. Let me look into the documentation again. So the first thing you need to initialize is the browser router. So import the browser router from React router DOM. The next thing you have to import is the routes. The third thing is route. So there are routes and there is a route. I hope it is clear. And yeah, so the first thing that I will we also play around with this a little bit, right? And open, close. So firstly we have to, जैसे हम हमेशा HTML का ब्रैकेट्स लगाते हैं उसकी ही वैसी ही एक ब्रैकेट हम लोग ऐसा खोल के रखते हैं. थिंक ऑफ इट एज ए HTML tag, not exactly an HTML tag but something you got from React Router, and then you initialize routes. Come on. And then you will have something like route. Oh no, not like this. A route. This is not a opening closing wala thing, it just has one closing thing. Over here you will provide a path. ठीक है ना. Let's look into path रहता और एक और एक रहता. When you hover over it इधर बता देता कि है ना कैसा बनाना है इसको. थोड़ा बहुत अगर याद भी नहीं रहा तो you can just go around and look at this thing. And then the first thing you can do is keep path, and then इधर ही element specify कर सकते हैं कि है ना this path will lead to which page. अभी देखो मैं एक पेज बनाने वाला हूँ. You will understand ठीक है. When I do this, let me create it as home.jsx rafce. So this is my home page. So I will now make a home component, and then what will happen is you can also do it like this, or you can also call it index. Is the same thing. Okay, is it like this? I'm pretty sure you can do it like this because I saw it over here. Yeah, no, you just type index over here. So this will become your slash. ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, and the previous way just put the dot slash thing. तो now routing अपने पास बन गए यहाँ पर, relatively very simple. Now when I go to देखो localhost 547, where is it running? I didn't run this. So npm run def, it's running on 5174. Reload. Okay, let us see why this is not working right now. Worst case I have to GPT it, but yeah, hopefully it should work. Okay, home is not defined. Apparently home is not defined करते. Yeah, because I didn't import home properly from here, so I have to import home, and then so you can see home is over here. We got home because we wrote home is it. I will do something. Lorem 999. Am I supposed to do this? I don't know, but I did it. Yeah, I should make this and I have to put the whole thing inside a div, or you can also do this. Let me do this. Holy crazy. Chalo, I did this. Now we have some random content home mein. Right, just to distinguish it as home. Now because in the React router DOM में इधर में जब initialize करते वक्त I gave the slash path as home. That is one of the reasons why I got all of this content over here. ठीक है ना. Now I'll make another route. ठीक है. Let us create another route called contact. Yeah, let us do contact, and I'll create a new page. Let's create a folder called pages. In this folder I'll, not a new folder, new file called contact.jsx. I'll also keep my home inside this. I'll update all the imports. RAFCE. This is a contact page. Let me get a contact page HTML from the internet. HTML contact form, nice. Get the code, looks decent. Div. No, I need React में. I don't care about CSS. Holy. Wait. अरे भाई कॉपी तो करने दे वो. Okay, let's see how good this code is. Looks decent to me. Example form लिखा हुआ इसका नाम. I'll change it to contact. Now here, my friend, we will go to our app.jsx and import contact. Looks like I got some error. Let us see what error that we got here. चलो देखते हैं. We go over here. So add forms. Yeah, I don't want any sort of validation for now. I will remove this whole thing. I'm not using any hook for now. I really don't care about the hook. Yeah, I just want some basic form. So you see now if I go to /contact, I should see some contact related thing. Damn. Let's see where is it. Did I import it right, or is my spelling wrong? Give me a second. /contact /contact. Okay, let's see. Do we have an error? Use form is not defined. अच्छा, यहाँ पर use form कहाँ इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ मैं? अरे सबमिट ही मत करो ब्रो, मेरे को बस बताना है. fs form, fs thing, use form. अच्छा, use state कर लेंगे अपन. Okay, you see this dummy thing is over here now. It doesn't look good because obviously this is just to showcase you. Just wanted to show you कि routing करे तो ऐसा होता. ठीक है ना. अब contact में कर गया मैं, तो ये हुआ. अब मैं अभी इतना स्टूपिड नहीं हूँ कि अब भाई मैं अब राउट नॉर्मल आदमी को तो पता नहीं है ना कि कॉन्टैक्ट पेज यहाँ पर, तो आई कैन टेल हिम राइट. यहाँ पर होम है ना, तो होम के बाजू अपन क्या करेंगे ब्रो, मैं क्यों लिखा है ये. दिस इज बिकमिंग अननोइंग. अरे ज़्यादा ही लगती है. यहाँ पर होम पेज है, लॉरम 30 इनफ है. नाउ मैं क्या करता हूँ, बटन बनाता हूँ. दिस विल बी कॉन्टैक्ट पेज बोल के. ओके, सो कॉन्टैक्ट पेज. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई वांट टू डू इज़ बेसिकली कि the moment I click on this I have to go to the contact page. So this should take me to the contact page. So how do I do that? Very simple. So every button has a trigger, right? You know, click on click बोल के एक trigger रहता. ठीक है, तो what we can do is कि ये trigger में एक function pass कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So the moment you pass the function, whatever is in the function will be triggered like the moment you click on the button. So over here I'll make a function for the dummies like me. I'm using the old JavaScript. Yeah, go to, we don't have to do the whole thing, but I'll show you this, then we'll go to the different way that we can do. So now what you want to do is you want to change your route, right? So that should also be done using your React Router DOM. So you would use something like import use navigate, if I'm not wrong, from React Router DOM. ठीक है ना. फिर क्या करने वाले हैं अपन, देखो सिंपल चीज़ है. ये navigate का जो भी फंक्शनैलिटी है ना, ये डायरेक्टली कॉल नहीं कर सकते अपन. अपने को पहले इसको इंस्टेंशिएट करना पड़ता. instantiate. So we can call it cons navigate, use navigate, ऐसा बनाना if I'm not wrong. Then navigate to /contact contact. ठीक है, so you first instantiate your use navigate and you put it in navigate and then you hit the navigate function call करके slash contact डाल देते. So this function should be called when the button is hit. So I'll just pass in the function over here. So let's see, this should work honestly. So yeah, here you go. So the moment you click on the contact page, you will go to the contact page. Beautiful, right? Exactly. So here we are with the contact page and थोड़ा बहुत एक और एक पेज बना लेंगे और उसके बाद अपन अपने प्रीवियस प्रोजेक्ट पे जाएंगे. ठीक है ना, दैट इज़ अ लिटिल बिट मोर इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी. उसमें हम लोग है ना आईडी के हिसाब से भी देख सकते हैं. अच्छा, इधर ही बता देता हूँ मैं बेटर. एक और पेज बना देंगे. ठीक है, it's very simple na. About page RAC. अरे भाई कई को भाई, this is the about page. Nice. So same. अब इसके नीचे है ना ये, तो इसके नीचे है तो मैं इधर डालता हूँ इसको. ठीक है ना, थोड़ा है ना कॉम्प्लेक्स पे ट्राई करेंगे अपन. ठीक है, कॉम्प्लेक्स राउट बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. अभी के लिए तो ये यहाँ पर है ना. लेट्स सी अपन राउट्स के अंदर क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. प्रिटी श्योर वी कैन डू वन अदर थिंग. इफ आई रिलेटेड फॉरगॉट द सिंटैक्स, बट फॉर कॉम्प्लेक्स राउटिंग्स एंड ऑल यू कैन डू समथिंग मच मोर बेटर. एक काम करेंगे अपन, ट्राई कर लेंगे. राउट सो on contact slash something random. ठीक है, let's try about. इसके अंदर अपन एक राउट बनेंगे. let's see what will happen. I'm pretty sure कि है ना एक सब राउट बन जाता, but let's try this. So over here you'll get path, home, about, hello, something very random bro. And then over here I will element, and then what we'll do is, हाँ क्या था उसका नाम, about था शायद ना. wait, import about page. let's import about page. okay, and then you don't, yeah, one mistake that I probably did when I was starting out, not passing the component, instead passing the name. So this is not params, you know, these are not like parameters passing through state. This is an actual element, so you need to pass an element over here. Okay, let's see, when we go to slash about slash hello, absolute path is not a valid path. Looks like I'm making a mistake over here. So let's do one thing. There is something called nested paths. ठीक है, let's search it up. Nested paths in React router DOM. Yeah, there was a way. So I was just doing it in the route, just like how I did. Wait. Yeah, he opened the bracket and closed the bracket in the same way. Let's directly ask GPT. Give me a second. He would probably give me a better answer. Let me put this one. Or else wait. Do I even have any content over here to be shown? Yeah, I do have something. So maybe I'm making a mistake over here. Let us, copy this code and ask GPT. Let's be very specific. Tell me where am I going wrong, in which part I was trying to do nested routing, help me. So the child root should not start with a slash. Okay, my bad. So this is where I messed up. Only your starting elements should start with the slash, but when you're having your child roots, right, in your child roots you shouldn't do a slash over here. So guys, don't be shy in using AI a lot. You don't remember everything on this spot. So even as a tutor right now, I don't probably remember what I learned 2 years back. So it's fine if you want to use AI to some extent, while you're learning. But yeah, now the thing is कि अभी भी काम नहीं कर रहा, ये अलग बात है. So hello बोल के जो बात है ऐसे, what exactly did he say? Component name should start with uppercase. Yeah, another problem I absolutely forgot to tell about. So your component, all of the component names should start with an uppercase. Yeah, even though this wasn't. Oh yeah, this was uppercase. Even though, and then yeah, uppercase नहीं रहा तो it wouldn't actually render you. So pretty interesting observation from my favorite large language model, I guess. Let's import this and let's see now. So yeah, here you go guys, this is the about page. Now you can go even deeper. Like let's say this was your hello, right? Like let's say you don't want to do that. Let's do something like this. Let's say you want to make another route, and उसके अंदर you want to make another route, and then उसके अंदर you want to make another route, and then उसके अंदर you want to make another route. वैसे ना इतना. And then let's say you do something like this now, ठीक है? I'm just experimenting it with you, ठीक है? I'm pretty sure it will work, but about में we were in about, right? Let's do something like hello, and then this path let's do something like, okay, the problem is कि अब मेरे को पूरा लिखना पड़ता. So let's make some easier paths. A, B, C, D, E, and this element is obviously your about page. A, B, C. Okay, so this shouldn't be your slash. So A, B, C, D, E. So let's see if this works. It should actually work conceptually, because I can't zoom in the bar. A, B, C, D, E. So here you go guys, we got the about page. So you can do all of this stuff. You can go internally, you can create multiple routings over here. Pretty interesting, I would say. This is a very interesting observation. But yeah, regardless, if it works for one, why not it works for two? But one other question is, what if I add an element over here? You know what, can I do that? Let's try that. Over here, let's say in the A, B, C, D part I put an element. At E I have another element. Do you think that will work? I mean, it probably did work over here, right? Like when you are going through this place, let's say I went to only start. This didn't work for this person, so they don't have it working for here. But do you think it should work? I mean, let's see. I'm experimenting with it. It should probably be up to the user or developer to have a element at this particular point or not. I hope whatever I'm telling is easy to understand. You're able to fathom what I'm trying to do. Let's make something very random. So cool. This is a treasure, haha, and some random lorem shit. Lorem 30s4. Okay, yeah. Why do I forget this all the time? And then in my app.jsx I will import this treasure because it's a treasure to me. Okay, pretty lame, I guess. Okay, it looks like it wouldn't work, so I just oh yeah, no, this is not how you. I always make this mistake. I still make this mistake. So this is a treasure, ha ha ha. Okay, even though I am at E, it still gives me the D. Isn't it very interesting? So this is giving me this. This is not giving me this. This is a very important. This is a very interesting thing, right? कि जब मैं ये रोड पे जा रहा हूँ, मेरे को अबाउट पेज नहीं मिल रहा. आई एम स्टिल गेटिंग द ट्रेजर. This is a nice question that I should probably ask GPT. Why is this happening like this? So when I go to the, which one was this? ETH route. I still get the content of the ETH route. Why is this like this? We might get to learn something cool. So these are how it's designed to work apparently. Okay. Oh, that's very interesting point, right? If you don't want D to render, you should probably do separately. So it works. So as it told over here, right? It matches both ABCD and ABCDE. So the first thing that it comes up with, the treasure, so it is what it will render. So so this is one reason why it didn't work in the React router DOM ki thing. But if you want to fix it, we can keep D and E as oh no, this is not how I should do this. I should probably just remove this, इसको ऐसा निकाल के, and put a slash over here, and then you do like D over here. Oh no, there's no D. E. This is D and this is E. So yeah, you cannot have when you have sub routes, when you are very deep into the picture, you cannot expect ki hai na. It basically uses some depth first search approach, and the first element that it finds when it's matching, that is what it is, returning as a route. Very interesting. So that is something that we both learned, I guess. And now what we'll do is, अभी अपने को routing थोड़ी बहुत समझ में आ गई, अपन अपना previous project पे जाएंगे. I'll show you about paths, ठीक है ना, dynamic paths. That's something very interesting, ठीक है ना. So let us go there. Let me go there. तो मेरा एक यूज़ केस था मालूम. सो मैं क्या सोचा था, we built this like in the last class. Let me do this. In the last class we had built something like, okay, ये something like this अपन build कर रहे थे. So in this, you could see all of the data using this specific API key. But recently, मतलब मैं उसका खुद का documentation पढ़ा ये free API का. I mean this is pretty huge. I mean you can probably check it on by yourself also बाद में जाके. इसके docs में यहाँ पर individual ID से भी मैं निकाल सकता हूँ. So get user by ID. You get this? See this? अपन क्या करेंगे अब, गेट यूज़र बाय आईडी है ना ये, तो मैं कुछ ट्राई करा था ओवर हियर दिस API, राइट. इन दिस API यू हैव टू पास द यूजर्स आईडी. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द बैक एंड के वास्ते, बाय द वे दिस इज़ नॉट द फ्रंट एंड थिंग. तो फ्रंट बेसिकली मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ यहाँ पर इसकी, बैकएंड के अंदर अगर आप ये स्पेसिफिक बंदे का यूज़र आईडी डालें तो आपको वो बंदे का डिटेल्स मिलते हैं। तो मैं क्या सोचा कि हम लोग है ना बैकएंड से डाल रहे हैं, तो वी कैन, सो लेट मी शो यू हाउ टू डू दैट। इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल। आई ऑल्सो लॉग इट फॉर यू। तो मैं यहाँ पर कुछ करा था सेम रिएक्ट राउटर डॉम को इनिशियलाइज़ करके। मैं अभी फॉर द एक्सपेरिमेंट पर्पस आई विल, और यार आई विल क्रिएट अनदर पाथ। experiment element, I'll create a new element. Let's see, wait, no, not here, I'll create it over here. Example, I should start with a big letter, .jsx rafce. Okay, so what I'll be doing is कि यहाँ पर एक यूज़ इफेक्ट बनाता हूँ मैं। आई थिंक अपन लास्ट क्लास में देखे थे ये यूज़ इफेक्ट। ठीक है। एक्चुअली मैं एक चीज़ बताना भूल गया था, डिपेंडेंसी एरे नहीं डाले तो क्या होता। डिपेंडेंसी एरे नहीं डाले तो इंटरनली एक लूप में चल जाता, बार बार है ना यूज़ इफेक्ट कॉल होते रहता। सो मेक श्योर यू टू पुट दिस डिपेंडेंसी एरे, ठीक है ना। एंड उसके बाद वी विल हैव ए फंक्शन। हाउ डिड वी मेक अ फंक्शन लास्ट टाइम? आई जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट दैट कोड। वी हैव मेन डॉट, नॉट यहाँ पर नहीं, यूजर डॉट जीएसएस, तो इसमें था वो कोड। I'll just copy this code. अरे भाई कहाँ गया? So we had a async function over here, get post बोल के, and then यहाँ पर fetch के अंदर I'll do a little different thing. मैं ये वाला जो है ना ये पे कॉल इस्तेमाल करता हूँ मैं। सो इधर इंडिविजुअल पर्सन की आईडी डालना पड़ता है आपको। सो व्हेन यू पुट द इंडिविजुअल पर्सन's आईडी, that person's data will be visible to you. So I have to also like we will also console log this person's data. So let us look at it now, ठीक है ना। wait, what is it telling me? I didn't put it in the, यहाँ पर we do example. Oh, again the same mistake. Example and then close this. Okay, so here we go. So we'll go to the, what was the route name? Why is this? Let's just keep it example. एग्जाम्पल लिखा तो था मैं। oh my bad. if you, so the same thing, right? if you have something like users over here, तुम स्लैश में नहीं डाल सकते यूजर्स, तो या मेक सेंस। एक मिनट, विल डू वन थिंग। मैं क्या कर रहा था? दिस शुड बी अ वे टू डू दिस। लेट मी कमेंट दिस आउट फॉर नाउ। there is something wrong. एग्जाम्पल में रैंडम यूज़र में there shouldn't be anything. oh looks like this. मैं कुछ गलत ही चला रहा हूँ। which, oh this is something else. 5174, where is this running though? It's running on 5174 now. Okay. Oh my bad. Users यहाँ पर है, main dot index app dot jsx में नहीं कॉल हो रहा। मैं I did something weird at that time, but yeah, never mind, my bad. So this was my slash route. Where is this? एग्जाम्पल ऐप डॉट JSX में स्लैश आउट पे ये स्लैश एग्जाम्पल पे ये स्लैश कुछ और पे कुछ और. सो अब मैं अगर एग्जाम्पल पे गया, सी एग्जाम्पल लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर, एंड देन व्हेन आई गो टू इंस्पेक्ट कंसोल पे, यहाँ पर ये जो डेटा मिला आपको, इट्स द डेटा ऑफ वन यूज़र, एक यूज़र का डेटा है यहाँ पर आपके पास. सो व्हेन यू सी ऑब्जेक्ट में गया के डॉट डेटा को अगर गए आप तो आपको पूरा डेटा मिल जाता. तो मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, लेट अस डू इट ऑन द गो, अदरवाइज वी कैन जस्ट यूज़ द कोड दैट वी ऑलरेडी हैव. तो दिस इज़ सेट अंडर व्हाट, लाइक लेट्स से ये मैं रिस्पॉन्स फाइनल करा तो मेरे को ये लॉग आया, तो आई हैव टू सेट इट इन ए स्टेट, राइट. ये कौन सा स्टेट हो सकता है, ये वी विल यूज़ द स्टेट डेटा set data. Okay, wait, this is a very bad name, but let us just use state, ठीक है ना. एंड set data, इसके अंदर what we'll do is response final. इसके अंदर अपने पास एक डेटा की फील्ड है, और वो डेटा के फील्ड में ये पूरा हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट रखे हुआ है. तो अब मैं जब इसको रिफ़्रेश करूँगा, मेरे सेट यूज़र डेटा के अंदर, वेट माय बैड, ये सेट यूज़र डेटा नहीं रहना चाहिए, तो मैं कोड कॉपी करा बोल के आ गया यहाँ पर. अब देखो, ये इसको अपने को लूप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि इसमें खाली एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट है रखे हुआ. सो व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग इज नेम डेटा डॉट नेम, मेरे को थोड़ा याद है इसका, टाइटल, ये जो डेटा है इसके अंदर के फील्ड्स का नाम है वो, यहाँ पर मैं देखा था पहले, डेटा है यहाँ पर, राइट. डेटा के अंदर नेम बोल के एक फील्ड है, उसके अंदर टाइटल लास्ट नेम फर्स्ट नेम बोल के एक है, फर्स्ट लास्ट टाइटल. तो आई एम जस्ट लाइक ट्राइंग टू प्रिंट इट, तो मेक श्योर टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन मार्क थिंग है मैं ट्राई करते वक्त, ठीक है. बिकॉज यू नो जब डेटा का आइडेंटिफाई नहीं रहा तो पूरा बंद हो जाता है हमारा, लाइक इट गिव्स यू अ स्टूपिड एरर. Perks of having TypeScript, I guess. First dot name dot last. So you can see over here Mr. Lyron Dokima something कुछ आ गया यहाँ पर. I'm not gonna care about CSS. What I'm gonna tell is कि मैं GPT को बोल दे तुम CSS मेरे लिए करके दे दो बोल के. I'm just gonna show you like ओके, इसको मैं एक पैराग्राफ टैग में डाल देता हूँ फॉर द इंस्टेंस. सो दिस शुड बी below also time. Yeah, cool, we can finish this off and wrap it up. और ये भाई पैराग्राफ टैग में एक चीज़ आ गया, दूसरे पैराग्राफ टैग में अपन दूसरे में इमेज डाल देंगे, ठीक है. इमेज कहाँ है हमारा, इमेज यहाँ पर है. अरे भाई कहाँ पर गया, मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, वेट व्हाई इज दिस, ओके वेट आई कमेंट दिस आउट फॉर नाउ, वेट वेयर इज दिस, yeah, I'll comment this out and I'll see the logs and see where my image is. You can see that in the data you have something called picture, data dot picture. My state name is data dot picture. So इसके अंदर data dot picture dot large image. So when you see this, you will see this person's image is over here. That's crazy. अब मेरे को और थोड़े इन्फॉर्मेशन लाना है, बाकी का you can try. I'll just put कुछ, I'll do it fast थोड़ा बहुत. Dot location paragraph tag location is यहाँ पर location कहाँ पर, location dot city. no, location is what, data dot location, data location dot city, सिटी का ये हो गया. एंड देन वी हैव पोस्ट कोड, कंट्री एंड पोस्ट कोड, बस इतना ही काफ़ी. Set country is, and then we have the postcode is data dot location dot where is this, postcode, postcode, and yeah, we have something like this over here. Pretty decent looking. Let's not, we can probably do this by, we'll tell, give me a better inline css to beautify, I guess. We'll ask this to beautify it, and come on man, don't annoy me. Okay, it gave me something, and let's do one thing. Let's just paste it in the return part, and yeah, hopefully yeah, something stupid came up, yeah, but it's decent. अब देखो, what is happening over here is कि yeah, here you go, you see over here 13 is hard coded over here. Now every time I want to see some different person's user data, I have to go back to my code and do this, right? But I don't want to do it. What if I can just change the path over here to 13 and 13 का आ जाना मेरे लिए? Wouldn't that be very convenient for me? So yeah, we will be looking into how we'll be doing that. So yeah, let us do the use effect thing. So what we were talking about, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे कि यहाँ पर जब भी कोई ना कोई चेंज होते रहता है, राइट, वो टाइम पे we'll render a separate person. So we know how to render a person through, you know, putting an ID over here. So let us do that now. So inside your main.jsx, you know, in the route, right, you have to type in something like this. You need to put a, I don't know what this is called, and then is any variable name or something. ठीक है ना? तो let us try doing that. U ID बोल के डाल देंगे, ठीक है? And then how do we get this ID out? Like, you know, this is a very valid question. अब मैं इधर valid ID डालूँगा, मगर ID को निकालूँ कैसे? Even though the ID is coming over here, but although this guy is 13, but it's not technically a dynamic, right? It's just rendering whatever it wants. So when you go to this example part, there is another, I wouldn't call it hook, maybe it isn't hook, it is from React Router DOM, that is called the, which was that use params. Yeah, so this was the use params thing. So let's just call date item कुछ तो कुछ बुला देंगे इसको. And the moment we get this, I'll show you what we get. We'll print this out. We printed this out right now, right? So cool. So we printed this thing, right? अब देखो अपन क्या करेंगे. The moment I go over here, this will give me something like an ID which has 15 in it. So what my job is कि मैं ये item में से ID निकाल के ओके डॉट ID करके इधर डालूँ, which is pretty simple, right? I'll use this backticks. Oh, how do I do backticks? Yeah, and then इधर $sign से मैं item dot ID कर लेता हूँ. तो एवरी टाइम दैट आई रेंडर रिफ्रेश व्हाट हैपेंस इसकी मैं जो भी यूआरएल इधर पास कर रहा हूँ मैं उसका आधा आता है यहाँ पे। तो यहाँ पर 15 से 190, so 190 some other percent, right? 34 is some other percent, right? 21 is some other percent, right? 20, so that is some other percent. So you can see over here it doesn't have anything at 2000, it probably returns some error. तो अब मैं क्या करना चाहूँ, दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी डिड, ठीक है ना। अब लेट्स से हर एक यूज़र के ऊपर एक बटन बनाएंगे, तो यूज़र जब वो बटन को क्लिक करता तो उसका स्पेसिफिक पेज रेंडर होके आता, तो वैसा कुछ करेंगे, ठीक है। इट्स वेरी सिंपल। हमारे पास यहाँ पर पहला पेज क्या था मेरा, main.jsx में अगर मैं गया app.jsx में, तो स्लैश, तो अगर कभी भी नेविगेट करना है, बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है उसके ना, यहाँ पर राउट्स देख लेना, पूरा समझ में आता है कि ये रोड पे ये है, वो रोड पे ये, सो अंडरस्टैंड इट टोटली एंड टू एंड। So let me comment this out because this is something that I build like for testing purposes. अब मेरे पास दो ही है, अब यूज़र्स का एक है वो है। अब यहाँ पर एक मैं बटन बनाऊँगा, ठीक है। ये बटन में नो मोर बोल के बनाएंगे हम लोग, एंड देन ऑन क्लिक हम लोग यहाँ पर जो यूज़ नेविगेट है, राइट, यूज़ नेविगेट को हम लोग इनिशियलाइज करेंगे, जस्ट हाउ वी डिड इट फॉर the previous project and a previous thing. Over here we will do something like on click. So when you're usually, you don't have to make a function, you can just make an arrow function over here and then navigate, and then ये कहाँ navigate करना है अपने को, simple, right। इसको मैं बैक टेक्स्ट में डालता हूँ, मैं इसका मेरा स्लैश एग्जाम्पल स्लैश इसकी आईडी, तो आईडी कहाँ से निकालूँ मैं, हर डेटा में आईडी रहती, तो डी डॉट आई शो यू हाउ टू रिमूव आईडी। तो जब मैं ये पेज पे जाता हूँ, राइट, यहाँ पर मेरे को आईडी मिल जाती है, अपनी शो यू, यहाँ पर कंसोल में डेटा में हर एक डेटा के पॉइंट पे अंदर देयर इज़ ए थिंग कॉल्ड आईडी। तो मैं है ना, जब भी इसके अंदर से आई विल पिक अप आईडी d dot id, this is what I'll go, and then this will navigate to that particular page. So everything has a button, so when I click on this person इनका आ जाता, अगर इनका क्लिक करा इनका आ जाता मेरा, अगर इनका क्लिक करा तो इनका आ जाता। सो इट इज़ लाइक थोड़ा बहुत वही एक अच्छा खासा एक डिटेल पेज वगैरह कुछ बना सकते हैं। अगर और डिटेल्स डालना है और कर सकते, बट आई एम शॉर्ट ऑन टाइम, सो यू कैन ट्राई इट आउट बाय योरसेल्फ, ट्राई टू डू इट, ठीक है। रिलेटिवली आसानी से जब नो मोर क्लिक करते कि ये खुल जाता, ठीक है, राइट, वेरी सिंपल। एंड व्हाट एल्स, वी कैन लुक इनटू वन अदर थिंग, there is an extra thing that I might have to search it up. I want to show you guys that also, how to do params. कभी कभी क्वेश्चन मार्क, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क वैसा कुछ आता ना, queries, I think that's what they call it. Okay, I know this. Yeah, that's what I'm searching for. Okay, so you don't normally use search params. So use search params में you go and get this search params इधर pass करते, and then you will get it. So in the link, so I have one other question to this. In the React router DOM, how do we define this? So if you want, you can also keep a user ID in between also. जब ये भी करते ना तुम, तभी भी जब you do use params में दोनों भी आता, but query parameters you don't define it in the so-called this thing, so ये automatically ही आते हैं. So let us try to do this query parameter thingy. It's called use search params. Use search params. So this is what we'll use. This might be a little complex, but don't worry guys, it's simple only. And it is ऐसा था. It is use. Oh no, I shouldn't be doing this over here. I'll do it in a specific page. This example page है ना, I will do it over there. I'll go to this example page, import use search params, and then cons data params use search params. So we will do console.log data params. It was not how it was done yeah, but I want to see how do we, so you do like a question mark and then name and then again another item. So if you want, and then an and sign is used to for another param. So how do we do this is very simple. So slash example 15 ये है ना, question mark name hello and oh wait लिख रहा right, hello and roll number 234. So you see this works, but when I go to the console यहाँ कुछ अलग ही जा रहा मेरे को. Okay, I'm getting an array over here. I think this is not the right way to do it. Maybe just how the AI was telling me to do it. We probably should either use search params है ना, we probably have to put a variable over here. So let's do that itself. Data params बोल क्या है. Now let's do this. अभी जब करूँगा ना मेरे को probably एक better result आएगा. इधर जैसे अपने को दिख रहा use, okay, this just gives me the size. Okay, set sort value. So it's not specifically giving me anything. You have to do a get, I guess. So let us try doing both of this and let's see what results that we get. Search params, let's call this search params. Is this search params defined somewhere? I'm pretty sure no. It's just a normal array, right? So when it is a normal array, so even in when you use search params, यहाँ पर दिखे हुआ है कि set params ऐसा रहता, use set params इधर ऐसा दिखता. So it's specifically written so to do it. So you can also look at the docs and something like that. So let me name or age, and holy moly, let's see what's up. So yeah, you get the data, the actual data, hello बोल के आ रहा एंड यहाँ पर ऐसा आ रहा. तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं आपके है ना, आपके राउट में यहाँ पर ये तरीके का डेटा, द क्वेरी टाइप ऑफ डेटा कैन ऑल्सो बी सेंड एंड देन इट कैन ऑल्सो बी पुल्ड आउट एंड you can probably just save it in a state. Const name set name, let me so either I'll do something cool, not cool exactly. I'll have name age set age. Over here I'll use set name and here I'll do set age. So over here basically this will say कि my user, मेरा user कौन है. तो that's what I wanted to type in. अगर कोई है यहाँ पर बोलने वाला तो hello name, how are you, you are this year old, right? Cool. So let's see what error that we got. Too many renders, so this is doing a lot of time. So I think what we should be doing is इसको अपन वहाँ रख देंगे अपना यूज़र फैक्टर में, तो होपफुली एक ही बार रन होता। तो यहाँ पर रखे तो इसमें है, तो यू आर 234 years old apparently because I typed in 234, so this is pretty interesting। तो यहाँ से आप यहाँ पर भी क्वेरी पैरामीटर पास करके भी आप डेटा को है ना आप शो कर सकते हैं। सो दिस वाज इट फॉर दिस सेशन। I hope you guys understood how React Router DOM works, and the last part might be a little confusing for many of you. Make sure to look into the documentation as GPT to explain you better. You'll understand it. बहुत सारे website ऐसा query भी करते. It's good that you understood it. If you don't do check it out, the chat GPT में पूछ के ज़रा देखो, YouTube में कुछ देखो. So yeah, but keep learning, keep doing stuff. ठीक है? Thank you for attending the session. Peace.